So this US oil analysis for Tuesday 19th of June. Okay. Let's just have a look what I'm pricing, where pricing may likely go. So we saw prices came down towards this 63.76. So, we did hold the support. We did see a break of the 64.75. Also saw a break of 65.60. Now what we did see was prices encountered the 200 period moving average here. From this 200 period moving average, we've had a rejection breaking beyond 65.60, and we've seen a bit of an acceleration in momentum here more recently over the past hour. So we do seem poised for a test of that 64.75. If we can hold support at 64.75, we're looking for a retest of 65.60 and that 200 period moving average. Successful break from which we're then looking for price head up towards that 66.71. And if we do find, if we don't encounter resistance at that 66.71, bringing us back down towards that 65.60, we are then looking for price head up towards that 67.12, where we previously found resistance before seeing this pretty strong sell-off here. If, however, we do see this sell-side momentum and we do break beyond the 64.75, we're looking for a retest of 63.76, failing to hold support at 63.76. The very next level that we are looking at here to the downside is a move down towards that 63.05, successful break from which we're then looking for prices head down towards that 62.54 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is we have a brief look here at the there remains a possibility of forming a bit of a higher low there actually, but what we are looking at here, let's just have a look at the daily chart. So over on the daily chart of the US oil, we got scale on here correct. What we can see here on the US oil is as follows. Just bear with me a second here. Interesting, very interesting. So here on this US oil, we can see here is forming our high. Let's get this. Make sure we get this right. There we go. So after forming our highs with a brief pullback, further sell side movement coming to the market, brief consolidation upwards, bearish engulfing candle, somewhat bucking the recovery here, bearish engulfing candle. Now we did post a pretty bullish candle yesterday. So from that move from that 63.76, so we did seem poised possibly for further upside momentum, but we do seem to be realigning with the most recent trend, which has been to the downside. We are seeing that sell side momentum coming into the market. So if we can see a break of the previous days lows in around 63.76, we're looking for further sell side momentum coming into this market now. Levels of significance from a daily chart perspective are moves down towards a $62 a barrel. This previous pullback here on this daily chart, where we found support before having this move to the upside, and if we fail to hold support there, this well-established level in around that $60 a barrel mark. Again, we do have the 200 period moving average slightly above that $60 a barrel mark from a daily chart perspective, which could act as a dynamic level of support. But in around that from that 62 down towards that 60, those are the levels of significance I'm looking at here from a daily chart perspective. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.